September 2018, I was working in Las Vegas for a week. I went out a little early and I had a Sunday free, so I rented a Honda CRF1000L Africa Twin from Curtis at Great Southwest Moto Adventures. The first thing I did after I'd picked it up was to ride down the Las Vegas Strip, and I have a separate video on that I'll post separately. I then headed west out of Las Vegas towards Red Rock Canyon. It's quite an amazing place with a one-way road that runs all the way around, with a real mix of rock formations, blue skies and scenery just going on forever. So I rode the scenic loop, after which I headed east, back through Las Vegas and out onto the dirt roads on the other side. What I did find was I got stuck quite a few times and also foolishly ran out of water in 103-degree heat. Fortunately, I did make it to the Valley of Fire State Park Visitor Centre on the other side and was able to get some more water and rehydrate and recover. After cooling down in the visitor centre, I still had a bit of time and a bit of daylight left, so I went and rode one of the scenic laps around an off-road loop, looking at some of the rock formations in the Valley of Fire State Park. It's really dramatic scenery. If you're ever there, I can definitely recommend looking it up. And the final leg of my day trip was returning back to Las Vegas along the 167, back through the Lake Mead National Recreation Area and to the relative safety of the casinos and the bright lights of the city. If you ever find yourself in Las Vegas and you have a day free and you want to do something similar, you should go and look up Great Southwest Moto Adventures. I'm sure Curtis and his team will look after you. I'll put their web address in the comments. That's it for now.